Why do some birds eat stones? It's not because they're hungry for rocks, there's a clever reason. Birds like chickens and pigeons don't have teeth to chew tough food like seeds or plants. Instead, they swallow small stones or grit that end up in their gizzard, a strong, muscular stomach. These stones act like a natural blender, grinding food into tiny bits for easier digestion. Plus, some grit provides minerals like calcium for strong bones and eggshells. So, when you see birds eating stones, they're just using nature's tools to digest their meals. Pretty smart, right?